What's up, guys? Okay, apparently my light will come on when it wants to. Ah, you wouldn't know that. Anyways, I started messing around with this. We got some decent weather and I got some more pallets and kind of was forgetting to film, but working on the shed. Crooked as can be, not a straight piece of board on it. Let me spin you around. I got these little guys and the back wall. There we go. Put the back wall on earlier. These are the last super decently straight pieces I had. And I'm just getting ready to put this wall over here into place. Getting dark, but it is, well, it's not tacked in yet, but it's as crooked as can be. It's got huge gaps because that board back there is kind of bowed like that. But sticking to what I said, in a video quite some time ago, I wanted to build this little shed, and it's just really to put tools, board stick, cover the front of the compost up, and shovels and buckets and stuff that I leave down here and never really take up anywhere else. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but this is just a frame. It's all pallets, it's all free. That's been my goal, to knock it out of the park for basically next to nothing but some hardware. Spin you around. But hey, I wanted to show you that little snippet. And that's what's going on at Noah's house today. Shed skeleton. Hey, thanks for watching. See ya. Check it out. I never did this with my light before because it's kind of dark. I don't know what it's going to look like. Might not even use it. Anyway, spin you around. I got more stuff. I did get that liner. I cracked that board up there. I started getting happy with the screw and cracked it, but I think it'll be good. I had to put some clamps on there to clamp it because boy, that sucker, this board and that board were so crooked. But all in all, I did get them on there. Well, this might look good. A little bit of a gap, but got some big screws to hold everybody together. Oh, that's disconcerting that I did that up here. But it's okay. So the back wall, the side wall. Ooh, I got some pallets and I have to take some pallets apart because I'm out of wood to build this last section of wall. But hey, all in all, it's starting to look like a little shed to put shovels in that we shovel compost with. Wasn't that cool having a light? All right, well, I'm gonna shut this off and I'm gonna get in the house. It's starting to get cold. See ya. Okay, well, we're out here. We got the last wall piece built. See that? So, I'm gonna get this wall piece in there. I guarantee, oh, you can see this one board. I don't know if you can tell, if you can see how absolutely crooked that piece is, but I don't know, I got her in there, and it's the last one to go in. I'm pretty happy. I'll show you when we get it in there. All right, check it out. I have no idea if I built any of this correctly. I'm sure someone could comment and tell me, no, you did not do any of that correctly. That's fine. I'm not building a house. Like I said, just building a tool shed out of pallet wood. And half the fun, which I may go back, because I found some of the bigger screws. I may go back and put some of the bigger screws, because I had to make 10 kind of like half walls, because pallet boards aren't tall enough. So I made 2 3-foot sections to get 6 foot. And then I'm gonna make this part up here just a little higher, and then I'll have the roof sloping back that way. And I got some metal over there I'm gonna put on there. And for the sides, ooh, I got something interesting in mind. Pallets, all pallets. Everything's gonna be pallets except for that metal. Oh yeah, and I also have to figure out how to make a door. So, once again, a lot of fun. It's not perfect, but hey, I'm not a carpenter by any means. But hey, if you guys are watching this, throw me a comment. Let me know what you think. You know, let me know how you did. If you're a master carpenter and you're building mansions right now, sorry that this is how I did it. But anyways, like I said, I'll pallet wood everything. I'm pretty cool with it. But the shed build goes on. Thanks for watching. See ya.